The modern football landscape has completely evolved from a traditional working-class sport into one of the most sophisticated, multi-billion-dollar entertainment industries on the planet. Elite European clubs are no longer just sports teams competing for trophies. They operate as global media conglomerates, real estate empires, and high-performance marketing machines. The collective revenue of the top 20 richest clubs has cleared a historic 12.4 billion euros annually, driven by a hyper-aggressive financialization of every single aspect of the beautiful game. Understanding exactly how these colossal institutions pull in hundreds of millions of dollars every single month requires breaking down a masterfully coordinated ecosystem split across three core revenue pillars: the commercial revolution and global brand licensing. Commercial operations have officially overtaken all other income categories to become the absolute engine of modern football wealth, generating over 5 billion euros across elite organizations. At the absolute pinnacle of this strategy sits Real Madrid, whose massive commercial operations alone bring in nearly 600 million euros per year, out-earning the entire total revenue of most mid-tier clubs. This astronomical cash flow is anchored by massive, multi-year kit manufacturing partnerships and front-of-shirt sponsorship agreements. Global brands gladly pay premium fees exceeding 80 million euros annually just to have their corporate logos displayed on the chests of elite superstars, transforming athletic jerseys into the most valuable billboard space in the entire advertising world. Beyond the primary kit sponsorships, elite clubs have successfully commercialized the concept of global brand tiers, dividing their corporate partnerships into official global sponsors, regional partners, and niche product affiliates. This allows a club to sell exclusive regional marketing rights to a banking firm in Asia, a telecommunications provider in Africa, and an automotive manufacturer in North America simultaneously. Additionally, direct-to-consumer merchandising operations fuel millions of dollars in liquid profit every single week. When a world-class player signs with a new team, global retail distribution networks instantly activate, moving millions of authentic jerseys priced at over $100 each to an international fan base eager to align with their heroes. The broadcast engine in geopolitical media warfare. While commercial branding establishes a financial ceiling, broadcast rights provide the highly stable, guaranteed baseline capital that keeps the entire industry afloat. Television networks and digital streaming platforms engage in aggressive multi-billion-dollar bidding wars to secure exclusive domestic and international distribution rights for elite competitions. The English Premier League stands as the undisputed titan of this landscape, routinely generating over 7 billion euros in aggregate media revenue per broadcast cycle. This massive media pot is distributed down to individual clubs through complex financial sharing formulas, ensuring even lower-ranked teams receive over 100 million euros in annual television payouts just for participating. The true financial catalyst for European clubs, however, is a highly competitive environment of continental tournaments, specifically the newly expanded UEFA Champions League and the massive FIFA Club World Cup. Qualifying for these elite levels unlocks an entirely separate, hyper-lucrative stream of performance-based media payouts, market pool shares, and participation bonuses. Making a deep run into the knockout stages of the Champions League easily injects an extra 100 to 150 million euros into a club's balance sheet. This massive disparity in television income creates a powerful financial polarization effect, where the elite teams consistently participating in European competitions collect an avalanche of media wealth that allows them to systematically outbid domestic rivals for top-tier global talent, transforming stadiums into year-round entertainment real estate. Matchday revenue has undergone a massive structural transformation over the past several years, shifting away from standard gate receipts toward high-yield corporate hospitality and year-round multi-purpose real estate utilization. Historically, a football stadium was a heavily underutilized asset, staying dormant for roughly 300 days a year outside of standard domestic home matches. Modern elite clubs have completely shattered this limited business model by designing state-of-the-art, multi-billion-dollar entertainment arenas designed to capture consumer dollars 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Real Madrid's monumental renovation of the Santiago Bernabéu stands as a definitive blueprint for this modern real estate strategy, effectively doubling the club's matchday yield to well over 200 million euros. By implementing retractable pitch technology, the arena instantly transforms from a pristine football grass surface into a massive hard-floor concert venue capable of hosting global music icons, massive corporate conventions, and major international sporting events like NFL games within a matter of hours. Furthermore, clubs like FC Barcelona have successfully generated upwards of 70 million euros in immediate capital through the innovative implementation of personal seat licenses, allowing wealthy patrons to secure long-term luxury seating priorities before stadium expansions are even finalized. Corporate hospitality and the maximization of fan data. The internal layout of the modern stadium has been systematically re-engineered to prioritize high-net-worth individuals and corporate clients who generate a massive percentage of overall match-day profitability. While traditional fan terraces remain vital for maintaining stadium atmosphere, the true economic focus rests within elite executive suites, premium skyboxes, and high-end culinary lounges. Corporate entities routinely pay hundreds of thousands of dollars per season to secure these luxury spaces, utilizing match days as premium corporate networking environments to close high-value business deals, while enjoying Michelin-starred hospitality. Simultaneously, clubs are investing heavily in advanced fan data infrastructure and artificial intelligence to track, analyze, and monetize their digital audiences. By funneling millions of global supporters through official mobile applications, digital ticketing portals, and free membership programs, clubs capture hyper-specific consumer data profiles. This deep analytical insight allows marketing departments to execute precision performance marketing campaigns, optimize corporate sponsorship returns by up to 25%, and perfectly tailored digital product offerings to individual fan demographics. This aggressive digitization ensures that whether a supporter is physically sitting in a stadium seat or watching from a smartphone thousands of miles away, their engagement is systematically calculated and turned into long-term corporate revenue. The relentless financial evolution of world football demonstrates that elite sports organizations have moved far past their athletic origins to become dominant global entertainment networks. By perfectly weaponizing international commercial partnerships, extracting maximum value from competitive broadcast wars, and turning stadiums into highly dynamic year-round real estate assets, these historic clubs have built an incredibly resilient corporate engine. As digital attention trends continue to shift and new international markets look to invest heavily in premium sports programming, the monetization capabilities of these massive athletic institutions will continue to reach unprecedented heights. Building a highly strategic approach to capturing global attention, securing consistent cash flow pipelines, and scaling monetization systems is the ultimate secret to surviving in the modern hyper-competitive sports and entertainment economy. If you want to keep discovering how elite sports franchises, corporate entertainment networks, and top-tier digital creators build, protect, and scale their wealth networks across the global attention grid, make sure to hit the like button on this video and subscribe to the channel right now so you never miss our next deep dive into the business models of the world's most lucrative industries.